Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you how I clean my Airblender sponge. And so this would be the easiest way to clean the sponge and not to damage them. So under running water, you'll just have to wet the sponge and then just get a bar of soap, any soap that you would have, but here I am actually using Safeguard soap, and then just rub the sponge onto the soap, of course as gently as possible as well. Now, to get the products out, or the product out of the sponge, just wring it with your thumb, just like that, just like how you are actually making a dumpling. If you've actually seen like Chinese chefs make a dumpling. So wring out all the residues from the sponge as gently or as firm as possible, but not too firm or not too tight so as not to damage the sponge. And then under running water, just have to wet it again and get all of the residues out so that it will be clean. After that one, wring it with force on your fist, just like that, and then dry it in a towel. And that's it. You now have a clean sponge.